So today we're meeting Gene and Jasmine out on their lot in beautiful Waimama, out here in the country, about 40 minutes outside of Tampa.
All you see is just greenery for miles.
And cows.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Jasmine, standing out in your pasture.
Yes, yes,
Oh
yes,
my
we are.
gosh.
You bought this a year ago, right?
Yeah.
How many acres is this?
Yeah, it's about 9.56 acres.
When is the due date?
We're
Coming up?
due in a couple of months. Yep. Baby's gonna be here before the house.
Oh my goodness. We've got
Added
some
pressure. Wow.
We're a family of 8, but soon to be a family of 9.
There's no way you can find this much land up in North Jersey.
No.
No way.
You know, we call it up there concrete jungle. We wanted a different feel. Why not go farm? Grow your own stuff.
Living off the land.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah.
And we also recently bought 6 cows.
So we're already sharing a room with 2 kids, so I'm really wanting my own space.
We're really
Yes.
wanting our own space.
What do we need to have in this home? Like, what are your must-haves?
Absolutely need at least 3 bathrooms.
Ooh, that was a quick answer.
Thinking maybe like 5 bedrooms, nice open concept. We cook a lot as a family, so
Okay.
a nice open, spacious kitchen with the breakfast nook would be great.
You guys thinking 1 or 2 story?
1 story.
Historic.
Yeah.
Kids on one side, and we'll be on the other.
Sounds like you're already designing your dream
Oh, yeah.
home. You already got that figured out.
Do you guys have like a specific style in mind?
Farmhouse.
Coastal.
Whoa.
Wow. It's like-
Farmhouse and coastal.
Property. Farm. What else?
I always dreamed coastal house. When I thought my dream home, I thought on the beach. So maybe if I bring the beach to me.
I can bring sand here.
I want this home to speak to both of you and the whole family. So the next step, you guys, is inspiration tours, which I think is gonna really, really help us figure out how to incorporate that farmhouse and that coastal and still have the house look, you know,
Cohesive?
I'm counting on that.
he's
You're
counting.
counting. So what's the budget looking like for this house?
$435.
Okay, they have 6 children. They have 1 on the way.
Hey, watch your step on the way out.
Hold up. We would love to get this house done so that they can get nestled in and be situated as soon as possible.
Let's go. You don't find these cow patties in Jersey.
Oh, no. These are good ones.
There's a lot of options as far as the exterior of your house. I definitely wanted to show you an example of a true coastal exterior. You've got the metal roof and then the color pop. What are you thinking?
I like it, but it's a little brighter than what I was envisioning.
Okay, what about the metal roof?
No metal roof.
I think it might get a little bit noisy. Feel like we have enough noise with the kids in the house. We don't need it with the rain.
No metal roof. See, that's true to coastal as well. Jasmine really isn't gravitating towards any of the coastal elements as far as the exterior, which is a little bit puzzling.
All I can say is farmhouse.
This is definitely about as traditional farmhouse as you get as far as the exterior facade of this.
You hit it, Mika. I love the board and batten there. Got the nice long porch in the front. Everything's perfect.
What are your thoughts now that you're seeing a farmhouse?
I absolutely like the way the porch looks. And I kind of like the white and black contrast.
What about anything else with the entryway?
I like the brick, and we somehow incorporate it into like the front of the house.
Of course we can.
I'm actually surprised that I'm liking the farmhouse exterior more than the coastal. This makes a lot more sense. I can picture this on our lot.
Told you. I told you.
It completely makes sense to me why Jasmine would want a farmhouse exterior on her dream home. I mean, they're out in the middle of the country. They've got cows. It's totally fitting for the lot, but there's no reason why we can't infuse some of that coastal style on the interior of the home. All right, you guys. There's certain elements in here that are kind of that true coastal trend. First of all, what do you feel when you walk in the space?
I don't know how I feel about that accent wall.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting, and the reason I say that is because with this accent wall, it's kind of like mimicking almost like a driftwood kind of coastal finish.
I know it's coastal, but I can't see it in our house. Yeah, I don't think I like it.
What do we think about the accent color on the island? In coastal, you'll see sometimes where the island might be like a pop of blue.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I like that the cabinets are light. I think I want to stick to just white cabinets.
So same cabinets
Yeah.
throughout.
Farmhouse.
He's right, all white cabinets is very farmhouse.
I think I'm leaning a little bit more to the farmhouse idea.
Okay.
I was totally against having farmhouse anything because I really did not picture myself being a farm girl or a farmhouse girl. But I guess I kind of am. Yeah.
This is what it's all about, because sometimes you kind of have this picture of like, oh, this is my style. But when you start seeing stuff, that can change.
Yes.
So now let's go to the main suite. We have already established Jean and Jasmine would love to have a split floor plan. They have baby number 7 on the way. They deserve to be able to relax at the end of the day. So now we just need to figure out what their vision is.
I think for main bedroom, I would want a little bit more space. Definitely want like a walk-in closet. That's not gonna be enough.
So
Yeah,
more
some
storage in this.
Yeah.
I do want you guys to take a look at the ensuite bathroom.
I don't know, Mika. I can't picture myself
Hey, babe!
getting ready in the morning.
Where are we going?
And he's on the toilet.
Okay,
We're close, but not that close.
so you guys are saying you need a separate water closet.
Please,
Yes.
yes.
That's an easy fix. I could just kind of put a door right now so I'm not seeing this illustration. All right. You guys have given me a lot of feedback. Inspiration tours today were a success, and we were really able to narrow down some of the elements of Jasmine and Jean's dream home. What we came
I
up
hope
with there.
Jasmine doesn't slap me, but Jean won this one. It does have that farmhouse feel. We'll have vertical board and batten and brick textures along the front of the exterior.
That sounds good. Love that.
We know one of your wish list items was a beautiful front porch, so if you notice, this is gonna give it that farmhouse feel right from the front.
Love that.
So you approve?
I approve.
Okay.
You guys ready to go inside?
You wanted that open concept. You're not gonna see walls, you're not gonna see anything blocked off.
Good.
The great room into the kitchen, it is wide open, looking right back on this beautiful pasture.
And then with the big family, you need a lot of dining area. So you guys are actually going to have a formal dining room right to the right when you walk in. We're also gonna make sure in that kitchen that we give you a nice big island, so that's additional seating. But then also a breakfast nook, which has 3 windows there that's gonna get a lot of natural light and be able to get a great view of your backyard.
3 windows.
You don't like the
Can we
windows?
Can we put more?
Mm.
Like just watch over the cows and stuff and the kids?
I'll tell you what, we've already got an empty wall here. We can easily just add 2 windows there. Is 5 better than 3?
Oh yes, most definitely.
All right. I remember when we first met, Jean, you said you wanted the kids on the opposite side of the house.
So you've got the kids' wing with 4 bedrooms, and we kept 2 of the 3 bathrooms over there. And then guess what? All the way on the other side of the house is gonna be your main suite. We included a walk-in closet, and then that attached bathroom has a soaking tub and a walk-in shower, and most importantly, that separate water closet you guys wanted.
Me likey.
With that budget of $435,000, we were able to accommodate 5 bedrooms, the 3 bathrooms, around 2,700 square feet.
Super excited.
We are breaking ground on Jean and Jasmine's dream home out here in the countryside of Waimama. Ray, you can start scraping. Here we go. Let's do it. Jasmine and Jean, your country life starts today. Woo! She's really flowing now. Today is slab pour day. Concrete is flowing. We got trucks coming from both angles here. Jasmine and Jean moved down here from the concrete jungle, so we figured we'd bring a little bit of that down to Florida here. Baby number 7 is due very soon, so gotta get this one moving pretty quick.
This has got different shades in it. Kind of complements the colors in the countertop.
That's cool, but like for the bathroom floor, you know, like inside of a shower or something, not the kitchen.
Well, I'm at the design studio trying to pick out Backsplash with Jean and Jasmine, and I have presented to them multiple options, different shades, different shapes. Unfortunately, they are not really reacting positively to any of them. I can definitely revisit this.
You got some homework.
I definitely do. Can you give me a description of what you envision for the Backsplash? Just because next time I want to get some samples that are going to be a little bit closer to what you're looking for.
I think I want something that's gonna pop. So not necessarily the same color as their cabinets
Okay.
or a counter, just something that you really wouldn't normally see in the kitchen,
Okay.
if that makes sense.
Right now, I feel like I pretty much dropped out of a marathon at the 25th mile because we're not quite there yet. I'm gonna have to go back, get more samples, and hopefully find something different enough that they fall in love with it.
is where they're gonna have those 5 kind of small windows here.
Yeah.
With the brick accent on the outside. This wall is gonna look cool. I mean, it's gonna be like a feature wall from the exterior.
I'm taller than you.
Oh, Walt, you know I always look up to you. Today we're decking Jasmine and Jean's roof. Now, when most people hear the word decking, they think of like a back porch deck where you put the grill on. Not the case. Decking is putting plywood on top of the trusses, keeps the rain out and the heat out as well. But, Walt, you good?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is looking nice. I cannot believe how different this looks. I just got a call from Jean. They will not be meeting us at the property today.
Uh-oh.
The baby is on the way.
That's awesome.
They are actually at the hospital right now.
What?
We knew baby number 7 was gonna come during the construction of this new home.
Yep.
However, she's 2 weeks early, so today was kind of a surprise.
Absolutely.
So now I feel like it's just even reiterating how quickly we need to get this home done. I'm so excited for them, but I think it just really made me like kind of have more anxiety though.
We're gonna have to maybe tighten up our time frame here because Jasmine delivered early. Maybe we can deliver this house early.
Man, that would be nice because I am sure that they are very, very eager to get into this home.
Jean and Jasmine just had baby number 7, so we're working overtime to make sure we can reveal this house before 100 days. Today we're doing siding, interior trim, and countertops.
So we kind of left off trying to finish up your kitchen. We kind of said the adjective different for Backsplash. So I basically picked things that I feel like would kind of fit that farmhouse vibe, but also unique and eclectic like you guys want. I had to kind of think outside the box and start using things with different materials and textures. Is there anything that you're kind of like leaning towards or anything that you're like, absolutely not?
So I know which ones I don't like. I know I don't
That's
like
my
this
favorite one.
Ah, you're kidding, right?
Maybe for our barn.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, later down the road for the cows in the barn, okay. So this is probably a no.
I think of a salt mine. This one looks like a bathroom.
All right, let's bring these bad boys over here. If you notice what you have left, you've got tile or you've got brick. And you guys remember during the inspiration tours, we saw the brick. You did like it.
Yeah, see a lot of that, especially inside.
Yes.
That'll bring a little, I think, a little heart
Home, yeah.
to the
I
kitchen.
love that.
I like it.
Did we just make a decision?
Bing, boom, pow. Brick City.
She's farting on me.
Oh, she tuned it on you. That's a confirmation, yay.
Hey guys, come here.
So you guys, we are building your dream home. We got your countertops, your cabinet, and your backsplash. Are you loving this dream kitchen?
Yeah.
Yes! So they're all gonna be excited to do chores and help you clean it.
Yes!
Yes! I love
remember
it.
that, right?
You have a witness right here. Awesome, you guys. Just a little longer, right? In the meantime, yes, you can go play.
Busy, busy day out here in Waimama today, getting a ton done. We're putting stucco on the wall like normal. We're gonna texturize a little bit, and then we're gonna score the grout lines, and we are gonna make brick appear out of stucco, almost like a magic trick. This house is coming alive today. We can now install this brick backsplash. This looks incredible. So we have brick in the exterior, brick in the entryway, brick in the backsplash.
That's gonna be the heavy one.
We got it.
You're making it look so easy.
Woo. Why does Calvin's side look lighter than mine?
Today we're at Jean and Jasmine's, and we are installing this awesome motorized pergola that is basically gonna be the foundation of their movie theater.
Oh, I like it. We could not be more excited. Oh, no, we'll get it right.
This thing is already taking shape, but this isn't the complete special project. We're gonna have a projector so they can enjoy movies anytime they want.
And stadium seating, which is gonna be really cool.
I cannot wait for them to see their house. Baby, you came a little bit early, but so did this dream home.
We are putting the final touches on Jean and Jasmine's dream home, and it feels so great to be saying this, but today is day 98. Does that mean we get the next 2 days off?
Ready?
Woo!
Ah! Yeah! Oh, I don't know what that is,
That's
but
a touchdown dance.
let's move on.
Let's go. The special project in the backyard is almost ready, but I've got one extra thing that's really gonna make it pop.
Oh my goodness, Brian, I don't think I've ever seen you cook anything before.
I've always wanted to do this.
Okay. I just love that the entire family of 9 can enjoy this. And the design aesthetics are perfect with those cows in the background.
Yes.
Can you believe today's the day?
I can't wait.
I have the jitters about it.
Me too. We've driven this so many times and I feel like it's so long right now.
Here it is, Meek.
It's so pretty.
Oh, I can see Jean smiling.
Damn, Mika. There they are.
Hey, hey!
This is ours?
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Hey, you like
Look
those?
at these cowboy
You know
boots.
how I
Oh, yes.
When and why mama?
He brought the
Right?
country.
I see that.
In the very beginning, we talked about, oh, I want coastal. But
I'm glad I decided to
Oh,
get
gee.
Farmhouse.
She decided. I agree. Obviously, you delivered the baby early, so we are delivering the house early. You guys ready to see the inside of your dream home?
Yes, I can't wait.
All right, saddle up, Gene. Welcome home 2 days early.
What? Damn. No, this is ours. Hold on, wait. I might have to step outside and come back in.
okay.
I love the floors.
Yes.
That's how it is in Jersey in the streets.
I feel like when you come into the house, we have our northern roots with that brick.
It makes it feel really like home.
Also, if you notice, the direction of the pattern is telling you, let's go home.
I want to see more.
Go, come on.
Let's go.
See as
After
much
you.
as you want. It's all yours.
The backsplash looks
Ah.
so good.
Wow.
Isn't that unique and cool?
Yeah,
This island, look how big this is.
it looks really good.
We know you have a large family, so there's plenty of places to dine in this house.
Yeah, we're gonna all finally just sit down all together in the same area.
Yeah, because right now we have one kid that just kind of sits up on the countertop because he doesn't fit. We have enough space for everyone now.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right, let's mosey on. Or I should say, let's graze into the great room.
You guys got the flow. I mean, it's just comfort everywhere.
No matter where you are in this entire space, everyone's connected.
The girls and the boys each have their own separate bathroom.
Yes. 2 sinks, so they don't have to fight over who's still doing their hair.
Yes. All right, let's see their bedrooms.
We made sure to make them feel like they have their own retreat in this dream home.
This is definitely gonna be JoJo and Noah. I see Adonis and Leo fighting over who's gonna have the top of the bottom. This is Shyla's room. She's gonna love it. The bedrooms speak to every single one of the kids.
I'm just taken back by it.
Oh, that is totally an Oxa. Finally, our own room.
What? Oh, look at that. That sounded like a good sound.
This came out really nice.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Soaking and relaxation for mama.
Yes.
What?
Follow the gravel road.
No way.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That is so cool.
The kids are gonna flip.
Nothing like dinner and a
Look
movie.
at that. This is so cool.
Wow, guys.
Even if you're not watching a movie, you want to relax out here, check this out above. If it's too sunny, you can make shade for yourself.
That's pretty cool. Take it to a whole nother level.
We could not have done this without the help of Brian and Mika.
They just made it so smooth from start to finish.
The baby came early. The house came early. We can't ask for anything more on this
No.
one.
Jean and Jasmine, thank you so much for letting us be a part of this journey.
Yes.
We were able to fit 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,700 square feet out in this beautiful countryside lot.
All in your budget of $435,000.
We can't wait for the rest of the family to enjoy this space.
Guys, you hit it out of the park.